Welcome to Star Institute channel. I'm Shaun Kumar, and today we discuss about the image formation of the concave or convex mirror. Okay, so first is the image formation. Image formation at concave mirror. Concave mirror. Okay. What is the concave mirror? We know that concave mirror, the reflection center towards the principal axis is called concave mirror. Means like this. That is the concave mirror. That is the concave mirror. That is the imaginary principal axis. That is the focus, and that is the center. Okay. Center means center of curvature or the radius of the spherical mirror. It's called center of curvature. Now we study before formation of image. We study about the three rules. Means what the rule of light here. Means light के rule क्या है? So first is the when light come parallel to the principal axis. Okay, principal axis means first light come to the principal axis means जो ये इंसिडेंट लाइट है, ये क्या है? इंसिडेंट लाइट ये प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस की क्या होगी? पैरेलल अगर आएगी तो आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन ये कहां से जाएगी? फोकस से. आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन इट्स गोज टू फोकस. ओके, इट्स गोज टू फोकस. नाउ व्हाट इज द सेकंड रूल? सेकंड रूल, व्हेन लाइट कम टू द मींस दैट इज द अगेन concave mirror. That is again concave mirror. That is the principal axis. That is the focus. That is the C. Means in the second condition, when light incident to the means light incidents to the center of curvature. Center of curvature means that is the incident light. That is the incident light. That is the incident light. That is the reflected. That is the I. That is the R. Okay. Means when light incident to the center of curvature after reflection, it goes from to सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर अगेंस्ट. मीन्स ये उसी पाथ पर रिटर्न हो जाएगा, उसी सेम पाथ पर ये क्या हो जाएगा? रिटर्न हो जाएगा. मीन्स जैसे ही ये इंसिडेंट हुआ है सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर से, अगेन ये रिफ्लेक्ट होने के बाद ये फिर से सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर से जाएगा. थर्ड रूल इज here. Okay, that is the principal axis, that is the C, that is the F. Here light come to the parallel axis and it goes to the focus, and after that when light incidents to the focus after reflection, it goes from parallel to the principal axis. That is the incident light. That is the reflected light. Means what the first rule means, जब भी लाइट प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के क्या होगी? पैरेलली इंसिडेंट होगी. आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन ये कहां से जाएगी? फोकस से. सेकंड, जब भी लाइट आपकी सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर से इंसिडेंट होगी, ये आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन फिर कहां से जाएगी? ये सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर से ही जाएगी. थर्ड रूल है आपका, जब भी लाइट फोकस से जाएगी आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन ये कहां से होकर? पैरेलल टू द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस जाएगी. नाउ that is the third rule, you may note here. Okay, that is the third rule. Now we study about the image formation at a concave mirror. Image formation at a concave mirror. Okay, first is when object placed at infinite. Okay, means first that is the concave mirror, that is the concave mirror, that is the principal axis, focus, center of curvature. Means when object placed at the infinite, means light comes to the infinite, means light incident to the infinite at a concave mirror, means light comes to the infinite. We know that when light incidents to the parallel of axis, after reflection it goes from to the focus. Okay. Now second one is also it goes from focus. Where meet reflected ray. We know that सबसे पहले आपको तो ये भी जानना होगा कि जहां पर रिफ्लेक्टेड रे मिलेंगी, वहां पर आपका क्या होता है, इमेज फॉर्म होता है, ठीक है। और एक चीज और कि जब फ्रंट ऑफ द मिरर रिफ्लेक्टेड रे आपकी मीट करेंगी, that is the real image, means what the nature of the image here. First one is real because it's formed in the front of the mirror, front of the mirror. Second one is point, or we can say that is the invert image. Third one is at focus. Okay. Now that is the first condition, when object placed at infinite. Now second condition, when object placed between infinite and center of curvature means C. Okay, center of curvature means C. Now B. That is the principal axis, focus C. Now where the object placed here means that is here, means between infinite and C. When incident lights comes to here, first condition is that means parallel to the principal axis. After reflection, it goes to the focus. Okay, that is the incident ray, that is the reflected ray, and second ray goes from there. यहाँ पर क्या है, दो प्रॉब्लम है यहाँ पर। अब सेकंड रे कहां से जाएगी, तो फर्स्ट कंडीशन में आपके इसके पास दो पाथ हैं, सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर एंड फोकस। तो हमेशा ये नेचर है, लाइट का नेचर है, ये कहां से बेंड होकर जाएगी, सी से। ओके, तो फर्स्ट कंडीशन इज सी। यहां से लाइट, अब rule, that is the incident and that is the reflected. We know that when light comes to the when incident to the center of curvature, after reflection it goes from the center of curvature. Again ये उसी सेम पाथ पर क्या हो जाएगी, रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाएगी। अब ये कहां पर मीट कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पर। जैसे ही यहाँ पर मीट करेंगे, ये आपका ऑब्जेक्ट फॉर्म होगा, that is the A B, that is the A dash B dash. Okay, what the nature of, means first one is the image form front of the mirror, so it's real, it is the real. Second one that is the inward. Third one, where he means between focus and center, Fourth, small size. Fourth is small size. That is the nature of image. Okay, that's when object placed between infinite and center. Then what the nature of object, that is the real, because the image from the front of the mirror, that is the inward. and between focus and center, and fourth one is the small size. Okay, now are you getting? Now we study about the when object plays between infinite and center, then when object plays at a center, okay, center, okay, when object plays at a center means that is the object, okay, that is the object. And what the second incident light, it goes to the it stays to the focus, okay, focus. After reflection it goes to the parallel to the principal axis, means here, okay, that is the C, okay, that is the A and B, that is the A dash and B dash, okay. What the nature of light? That is the reflected ray, that is the incident ray, that is the incident ray, that is the reflected ray, okay. So what the nature of light? Where, कहां पर मीट किया है? सबसे बड़ी बात तो मीट ये किया है जो सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर के ठीक नीचे, मीन्स that is the real, second inward, third one is where? At center of curvature, means at C, fourth one is same size, मीन्स जो ऑब्जेक्ट की साइज है उसकी सेम साइज क्या होगी? आपकी इमेज फॉर्म होगी, ओके। नाउ when object placed at a center means then object placed between center and focus, means first one there, center and focus means your object placed here, okay, your object placed here, and we know that parallel to the principal axis after reflection is go from the focus, okay. Now second line is second incident ray goes to the principal focus, and after reflection it goes to the parallel to the principal axis. Where we means here, okay, here, that is the A dash, B dash, that is the A, that is the B, okay, that is the point C, okay, that is the incident, that is the reflected ray. Means what the image got here? Real, first one is real, second one is inward, third one is C, between C and infinite, that is the big side, means big side, okay. That is the third condition, that is the fourth condition, okay. Are you getting? मीन्स क्या है, यहां पर जैसे ही ऑब्जेक्ट C और F के मिड में होगा, जो हमारे, आप एक चीज और भी फील करो, जैसे जैसे ऑब्जेक्ट क्या हो रहा है हमारा मिरर की तरफ जा रहा है, मिरर की साइड में जा रहा है, वैसे वैसे ऑब्जेक्ट जो इमेज फॉर्म हो रहा है वो मिरर से क्या हो रहा है, दूर आ रहा है, मिरर से दूर हो रहा है, और उसकी साइज भी क्या होती जा रही है, इंक्रीज करती जा रही है, ओके। नाउ व्हेन ऑब्जेक्ट प्लेस्ड between center and focus, now placed at a focus, okay. Placed at a, now we, the fourth condition means fourth, and that is the fifth condition, when object placed at a focus, okay, means that is the concave mirror, principal axis, that is the focus, that is the center of curvature, object placed at a focus means incident, and after reflected it goes to the focus. Okay, that is the reflected ray. Second one, second light is goes to the like this. Okay, it's feel like it's come from the center. It's come from the center, and after reflection we know that when light incidents to the center, after reflection it goes to the same path, opposite and same path, means like it. That is the incident and that is the reflected light. means where he meet infinite, at a infinite means ये कभी मिलेंगी नहीं, बट ये हमें लगता है कि ये infinite पर जाकर मिलेंगी. तो what we got here, that is the real image. Second one, inward. Third one is at infinite. ये कहां पर मीट करेंगी, मीन्स इमेज कहां पे फॉर्म होगा, at infinite. Fourth, very big size, very big size. Now next condition is, sixth condition is, okay, that is the focus, that is the center. Okay, now what the condition here, when object placed between focus and pole, focus and pole means here. Okay, here first is light goes to the principal axis, after reflection it go to the center, and second light go to the center and its direction, that's okay, that is the reflected ray, that is the reflected ray. Now we see here that light can't be meet anywhere, ये कभी भी कहीं भी मीट नहीं कर रही हैं. तो हम क्या करेंगे, इसे बिहाइंड द मिरर, इसको क्या करेंगे, इंक्रीज करेंगे. तो हम देखेंगे कि ये कहीं ना कहीं बिहाइंड द मिरर क्या कर रहे हैं, मीट कर रहे हैं. मीन्स बिहाइंड द मिरर मीन्स दैट इमेज इज वर्चुअल. व्हाट द फर्स्ट कंडीशन इज, दैट इमेज इज virtual. Second condition is erect. Second condition is erect, and third condition is big size, and fourth condition is behind the mirror, behind the mirror. Okay, now that the image formation at a concave mirror. Now next video we study about the convex mirror, where is the image formation in the convex mirror, and where what is the reflection of light and other concept. Okay, now if you like this video, then you must be share this video for the other students. Thank you.